Hi, this is Liwei, and I'm going to walk through a short video of using the Malwarebytes Excel add-in to add third-party security product exclusions. Malwarebytes is often used alongside other security products, so in order to avoid conflict and improve performance, we should add exclusions bidirectionally. Rather than using the console to add these items manually one at a time, the Excel add-in allows a simple way to select uh, these items for bulk inclusion. In the ribbon miscellaneous functions under load exclusions, we see a preset list that is downloaded from the internet. We can actually select a product of interest. The exclusions are downloaded into the text editor above, and the validation process takes place below. Validation is a process to identify the item types, such as from the list below. We can edit the list if appropriate and perform a revalidation. And once we have the items selected correctly as we would like, we can submit these items to the server, which will include them using an API. Now switching back to the console and doing a refresh, we would expect to see that all these items have been included automatically. That is all. Thank you for watching.